surrendering the vessel of the iron will to love alone, reveals a new co-creativity for discipline, ways that the beautiful vessel of iron will can be used. Discipline for your attention to lower its sense of gravity out of the mind world, dropping. Discipline to drop your attention lower, lowering the sense of gravity in your being and letting go in a simple breath. The discipline to drop your sense of gravity lower simultaneously while your subtle spine reaches to the stars. Elevating the subtle spine, directly knowing your inherent unitive circulation with the stars, with the cosmos. Discipline may serve the discontinuation of pathways of jumping to conclusions, allowing conclusions to stay unformed, breathable, porous, a discipline to renounce overlaying templates of conclusions here and there and everywhere. Especially when it comes to perceiving humanity. Letting go, jumping to conclusions.